How to switch users on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can switch users on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to switch users on PS4, it's actually quite simple. Let's say that you are logged into a specific PlayStation or PSN account or profile over here, and maybe you just want to log into some other account. It's very simple to switch accounts. All you have to do is on your controller, you just have to press and hold the PS button for a while. As you do that, and when you press the PS button, you'll see this quick menu pop up where you have to simply go to the power options. When you go to the power options over here, you'll find the option called switch user. So all you have to do is just make sure to click the switch user tab here, and then you'll be able to see a list of other users that are available, and now you can simply choose to add a new user, or you can log into one of the existing ones. This way you will be able to switch users on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.